Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Usually, some apps have built-in features to cast videos on your computer to stream to a larger screen. But what if connection latency is high, or you want to mirror your entire device, not just videos? In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to mirror your iPhone screen onto a Windows PC. Let's go. Note that since your computer doesn't have a built-in screen sharing tool for iPhones, I recommend using a third-party application that you can install. You've probably tried a few screen sharing tools already. I have too, but of all the ones I've tested, this one is the best so far. It's easy to set up and offers great viewing options, including smooth, real-time screen mirroring with very little lag. If you want to try it, you can use my link below to download the software and get free access to its screen sharing feature. After you install the tool, open the application on your PC and connect your iPhone using an original or MFI certified cable. If your iPhone prompts you to trust this computer, unlock your device and enter your passcode to confirm. Once the application recognizes your iPhone, go to the Quick Access area on the homepage. Click the Edit button. Add the real-time screen tool and save your changes. Next, head back to the Quick Access menu and start the real-time screen feature. Then wait a few seconds for the plugin to finish loading. Note that the program needs developer mode to be enabled on your iPhone. This particular setting is usually hidden, but don't worry, the software will guide you through making it visible on your device. When you see a confirmation that developer mode is now available, go to your iPhone's settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, and find the developer mode menu. Turn it on and restart your iPhone when prompted for the changes to take effect. Once your device restarts, reconnect your iPhone to your computer and click the real-time screen tool again. Now, you should be able to see the full screen of your iPhone from your computer and enjoy your phone's interface on a larger screen. Besides that, the application offers more features you can use while streaming. For example, you can take a screenshot to directly capture what's on your iPhone display and easily save it on your computer. You can also switch to full screen mode if you want your iPhone screen to take up your entire PC display, which is perfect for presentations, games, or just showing off your latest photos. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.